Movie Making Made Easy. What every pro knows, and then some.
The name's Harris. Harris from Paris. Welcome to Movie Making Made Easy. I'm supposed to be recording the course today, but I'm running behind schedule. Everything seems to take longer than planned. Everything costs more than budgeted, too. We'll be covering all aspects of how to plan, shoot, and put together a movie. You'll learn how to make a movie from concept to completion. We cover all the fundamentals used by a professional crew and then some. It doesn't matter if the movie is a minute or an hour, they still require the same basic skills. Although we're running a little behind schedule now, we'll make up for it during the course. The course has over 160 lessons in about 80 minutes. So each lesson averages about 30 seconds. This course flies.
There are 4 sections. Each one averages 20 minutes. Each section has 6 chapters. Each chapter has several lessons and is followed with a 5-question quiz. Upon completion of this course, you'll be able to make movies with just you as the crew. I suggest going through the entire course to get an overview of the movie-making process. Then go back and study it section by section, chapter by chapter, and lesson by lesson. Once you're familiar with the course material, go to the Making Your Movie Plan of Action. The Plan of Action guides you through making your movie step by step. One other thing. Throughout this course, examples are used from a documentary I made called Venice Souvenir. It's about Venice Beach, California. Check it out. It'll show you what you can do with or without a crew.